Hi everyone, Sylvia here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my FlipBooks review. Alright guys, so in this review we'll talk about this software, cloud-based platform called FlipBooks. So in short, FlipBooks is going to create flipbooks for you out of PDFs, as you can see here, out of PDF, text, or images. And pretty much what it is going to do is what, KDP does for you. So Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, which is, by the way, free as far as I know. Okay, and that's what it does for you. So guys, we'll check out the members area. Okay, we'll check out the sales page. We will go through the whole funnel of FlipBooks because there's way more to it than just the front end. We'll check out the vendor's profile, and for those who are interested in making real money online, I would send to the link below my review that will take you to this PDF docs where you can sign up for amazing free courses with amazing ongoing support courses I have purchased myself. Okay, I have got myself. The front end is totally free and with free amazing upsells, no nonsense upsells if you want to upgrade later on, but you start for free. And I am loving these courses, and they are on affiliate marketing, traffic generation, and email marketing. It's true, real information with a vendor who is honest, genuine guy, and I could tell you tons about it, but check it out for yourselves if you want. Now, let's check out the vendor's profile on Warrior Plus. So, who created this product, what's the score? It's all important information. It tells you, it speaks for itself. So, let's see the profile. So, 2 stars out of 5. That means I don't like it, it says here. Okay, they have created quite a few products. As you can see, it's either 1 star, 1.5, 2 stars. What it is? Well, it is what it is. Make up your minds, guys. I just want to bring your attention to, show you the facts, because facts are the truth. Okay, so now we are on the sales page. You will get this pop-up, $3 discount if you try and exit the sales page. They'll try, to get you back somehow with this $3 discount, and it doesn't want to go away, as I can see, very stubborn. If it keeps popping, okay, 3 times it popped up, I may lose it, and you don't want to see me losing it. Alright, FlipBooks finally replaced boring PDF ebooks with the next generation 3D FlipBooks app at a low one-time price. Now, is it an app or is it just a cloud-based platform? Because in my understanding, app is something you can download from like from my phone. Okay, I downloaded. Where do I go? Let me see where I go. As I can see, I'm using Android, so it's not an iPhone, so I would probably go, where would I go, right? I'm just kidding. To Play Store, obviously. Could I? Let me see if I can download FlipBooks from Play Store. Nope. Wait, so stop calling it something it is not. Anyhow, you see, it's coming back again. Let's see how many times it's gonna pop up. Just once for now. Okay, get instant access, they say, to the world's #1 3D animated flipbook and article creator cloud-based platform. Okay, I'm glad they said as it is, at least in the title. Along with millions of inbuilt ebooks and articles with PLR license. Okay. Sell unlimited flipbooks, ebooks, and articles on Amazon Kindle as if you just could know. Oh my goodness, this is back. As if you just couldn't go, okay, and use it. Okay, register with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, okay, for free. Create it there and sell it on Amazon like that. I really, it's probably for people who are not aware about this Kindle thing on Amazon. It must be, because there's such a straightforward and direct way about doing this, like creating flipbooks out of PDFs with KDP. Okay, Anyhow, with unlimited commercial license, yeah. So all of the features here, I mean, some of them are kind of true. The others that, you know, they say something about our article generator feature. I mean, where would be these articles taken from? Like, probably from my experience, just scraped from Google, and that would be plagiarism. As for the inbuilt articles and PLRs, they are probably taken from this platform idplr.com that you can guys directly go to, and you will get access to tons of free products anyway. Okay, it's, you know, you can resell them, so they probably, you know, took them from here, and yeah, connected with the product, and that's the whole funnel. By the way, let's scroll down. So you click here for if you want to buy it. I'm not promoting it, guys. I don't see the point of it. And it's like, for you, is it gonna make you money? I mean, I don't think they mention much about making money here, which I do like, because obviously the software is not gonna make you money. You obviously need to bring traffic to it, and probably you would try and sell it on, like, maybe Amazon, maybe as a freelancer, create those FlipBooks on Upwork, People Power, but, you know, there's so much, obviously, competition out there. So if you were starting as a, you know, newbie, brand new, you would be, oh, yeah, there you go. See, they're talking, wow, yeah, for 60-50. I mean, who would charge? They say I will design lead magnets, ebooks, and workbooks for $55, and he has 1 star. Okay. 1 star, no, not 1 star, 4 stars and 0.8. So people who have already been doing it, and, you know, I could go and check Fiverr for it, how much they actually charge, because I'm sure you can get it for $1 or $5 or something like that. Not even that. I mean, who could, you know, pay you $5 for creating a flipbook? I mean, depending on how many pages and all of that, I guess. But, yeah. Okay, so frequently asked questions, this and that. They claim to give you some money back guarantee. So $17 for now, guys, for just the front end. Okay, it's just the beginning of the almost never-ending story, because check out the whole not profile, the funnel. So how many upsells? 7. I cannot be bothered going through the upsells, guys, because yeah. So this is what the product is going to look like when you purchase it. Okay, this is kind of the thank you page, and you click here to get instant access. It's going to take you to this dashboard, and if you click on the to access training and tutorials, it's just one tutorials. It's just the demo that is like 4 or 5 minutes long, and it's pretty much, you find it the same. You get access to the same from inside of the dashboard, where you go. Okay, let me show you where it is here. The tutorials. Okay, that's access to the same, the very same not training course, just a demo for 4 minutes, just showing you around the platform how you basically create it. Yeah, I mean, what's there to talk about? It's super simple. You just click on create, put in the title, whatever, and then you drag and drop, or just, you know, upload the images, and it's going to create a flipbook for you that's gonna look like this. You see, it's showing in this demo. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Voila. That's what you're getting here. And you can create it from images, text, or PDF, and then all generated books. Okay, you have the books that you would have generated here, and that's the article creator. So you would, yeah, you'd create some articles depending on the keyword, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be scraped from Google, because what else, you know? And that's plagiarism, I'm afraid, and you have to give it a spin. I don't see a spin writer here, and even if it did run it through a spin, guys, oh, trust me, with those low quality spin rewriters, there is so many mistakes, and the content comes up so nonsensical, like some kind of gibberish, that you would spend hours on correcting it, going through it, and it's totally not worth it. Trust me. The best sort of content is the content you create yourself, and that's what is also, like if you need it for blogs, that's what's gonna rank best. And then we have pre-made ebooks. You see, it's gonna take you to this like Google Drive, and I'm sure, you know, what would you need it for? Maybe to give away as bonuses. Okay, you can. But then again, I'm pretty sure they have been taken from platforms like this one when you have thousands of PLRs. So go there, guys, directly and get your PLRs from there. No, you don't need to buy FlipBooks to get access to that. And pre-made articles, again, you'll have some articles. Maybe someone wrote it for them. I doubt it, to be brutally honest, but if that's the case, fine. They may be original, but my thinking is like already over 1,000 people bought this product, and it only launched 2 days ago. So that just tells me that the same people will have access to the same content, even though this, hypothetically, let's say, okay, let's give them the benefit of the doubt. They may be original, but you know, if thousands of people use the same, this original content will be used by the, you know, thousands of people, right? The very same content. And then you have some tutorials. Tutorials is just the demo, okay? Support here. I wonder how quickly they would get back to you, just in case you had any issues. I would be very curious if you happen to buy it, guys, and you know, stumbled upon any issues, problems, and you wanted help, wrote to them. Let me know how quickly they got back to you and whether you were happy with the solution and stuff like that, with the help. And bonuses, let's check them out. Excuse me, so basically it's access to all of the previous products, probably most of them they have launched. I wonder if they still work, actually. Because that's the thing with those so-called shiny objects, you know, they launch a product, and then if you try and even click on the sales page after months, it just shows you an error. Okay, it doesn't even open because the product doesn't exist, because obviously they need to keep maintaining it, pay for the hosting, everything. But the bottom line here is that most of the vendors, what they really care about is making the sales during the launch period. After the launch period, see ya. Okay, on your way, sort of. And that's just the sad reality. Unfortunately, this is like, that's the way it is on Warrior Plus with most of the products. I mean, you do find some diamonds amongst all of that garbage every now and again. I mean, there was a training course that I actually found on Warrior Plus, from Warrior Plus, you know. Not that I just found it, because I have, not that. The reason why I'm saying it is because I've had so much experience with the vendor, the creator of this training course that I happen to find, that you happen to find on actually Warrior Plus, called Affiliating by Gary Baker. So I've known the vendor for a long time, and I know what a quality, you know, affiliate vendor and, you know, YouTube content creator he is. He runs a few YouTube channels, very successful. So he put together this amazing training course I actually reviewed a couple of days ago, called Affiliating. Check it out if you want, guys. And yeah, so you can, like, 99% of Warrior Plus launches are BS. There is this 1% that, you know, that are like diamonds. So yeah, just kind of like going off the subject, but yeah, they will give you access to all of the products they launched previously, but most of them will not work. If they do, they are like nonsensical, I mean nonsense, you know, BS, shiny objects. Sorry, that's just the way it is. I know, I can see, because I have reviewed probably quite a few of them. I mean, they can do some, like, maybe video animations, this and that for you, but I'm not too sure about the quality. And the other thing, as I said, I would not, I forgot what I wanted to say. It's probably that maybe the hosting is non-existent. I mean, they don't they stop the hosting, paying for the hosting, and you know, you cannot find the product anymore. Yeah, I guess that's it, guys. So that was FlipBooks. If you want to buy it, I mean, you may, from someone else. I'm not promoting it because I see no value in it. I would rather go to Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and start from there and, you know, advertise and try and sell from Amazon. And that's it. That's what I would do. Anyhow, guys, if you're interested in making, you know, in laying a solid foundation to your online business, if you're, for example, interested in affiliate marketing, if you want to learn how to generate free traffic, because traffic is the lifeblood, or what do they call it, whatever, the life of everything, right? So it's a process, okay? It's quite a complex process as well. I mean, it's quite simple at the same time, but not necessarily easy, because there are many parts that you have to know how to put together. So, you know, you have to learn from the basics and keep building, like, you know, building a skill and the right kind of mindset. And with these courses here, you will be like so well off. So check them out. They will be in the description box below my review. Check it out. You can get yourself signed up for free. Various ways also here to contact me. Any questions with regards to these courses, ask away in the comment section. I'll get back to you once I see them. You know, I've gone through all of the training courses, so I know totally what I'm talking about. And it's not some like old PLRs or, you know, nonsensical old products I'm giving you access to. No, they're amazing training courses with amazing support ongoing, with a very lively platform, okay, like a community on Discord. I'm also there. So, you know, if you love them, the free front ends, go through the front product, which are value packed, by the way, and later on there are free upsells. So one of them is like a community group on Discord. I'm there, so, you know, if you get it, for example, in the future, if you decide you like it, then you will have direct access to me, and I'm very, very active there in that group. And then there's another upsell, what was it, like a toolkit that all of the done for you pages and all of that, very useful. And you can even get a reseller right with like a special reseller right, that is upsell number 3, that basically not only do you get, like, as an affiliate, if you were to promote it, not only do you get 100% commission across the whole funnel, but also all of the clients' data, guys, and this is like unheard of. None of the vendors would give you access to this data, the email addresses. Okay, if you were to be an affiliate, but with this upsell, you get the access to the data, and you can grow your email list. And here in this training on email marketing, this one here, email marketing secrets and email toolkit, you will learn everything in order to run successful email campaigns, building email funnels and all of that. So email marketing, I mean, like, you know, having a YouTube channel is a very great source of traffic, but then email marketing is your biggest asset. So that's what you want to focus on, and, you know, traffic generation, because no traffic, no money. Right. Okay. I think I will sum it up. I mean, what's there to sum? I've already summed it up. So no point, in my opinion, to get this product. It's the same as, not the same. I mean, this Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is way better, in my opinion, and as far as I know, free to register with, right? So that's all. Alright, guys, thank you so much. See you in my next video. Definitely check out the courses. You will absolutely love them, as I am loving them. And yeah, give me your feedback, any questions, you know where to find me. Alright, ciao, have a blessed day.